Picking up these cars. There go my Cobalt right there. So the cars got to be in this lane. I'll show y'all the Cobalt. This is the Trailblazer that they didn't want to sell. Look at this. I gave them $300. I think that was way too much. It needed this window. It needed that window. It needed door panels. Like, look how beat up this thing was. Look how beat up this thing was, Alex, and they didn't want to sell it for $300. Nah, I said 300. I wasn't giving it no. Nah.
300 better sold.
Nah, they wanted it with the red door on here. Got a red door over here. No door panels. I guess they didn't want to sell it because of tires. That's the only thing I can see. That was the only. They didn't want to sell it. They hated. They hated on me. I got a Cobalt for $900 though. If it's gonna see if it's worth $900. I might have gave too much. They might have gave me. Might have gave me. I don't know. Should be right here. Yeah, that's it. Yeah. I think I gave a little. That ain't too bad. Once it get detailed. What, size 15 on there? Pretty dirty on the inside. Take it to the detail shop though. Let me check. Ain't too bad, I guess. We'll see how it run though. It's got oil. Ain't look like it ain't been changed in a while. It's got coolant in there. Start this bucket up. Dang, it's dirty. Let's see what we got.
Of the lost sheep. That the lost sheep was lost and needed.
Check engine light on. So we got some AC or something. Ready to see the windows down though. Nasty in here. Sorry, right, those going right to the detail shop. Oh. It's kicking in a little slow. We got some here. We gotta buy one of these new. We gotta buy one of these because they, I don't know, these always break over here. Now what we looking for, the 2X. Make sure we ain't got no front end problems. You know, that's what usually what be wrong with these. Cut off. Don't seem like it's in too bad a shape. I don't know. I guess we're gonna see. I know it's 2 Expeditions. I know they love it, I know. You wanna ride that big 80. Riding big wheels ain't no Fisher Price. We got good tires on it, still ticking, making, dang, 2 ticking Fords over here. Yeah, both Fords over here ticking.
Yeah. That one takes off. Looks like it takes a minute for it to even like kick in because it be stuttering.
Need a tuner.
Like kick in, I gotta check and see. It might be something. It might be something to
I mean, y'all can put 2 of them together and have one good Expedition though.
Nah, this one is good besides that getting the other one, that stuttering stuff. I fixed that.
Tire is good. Well, this one. Well, this is yours. Oh, this is the one. This got a little dent in the door, but can't do nothing about that. Interior as clean as it's probably gonna get. I mean, carpet. like that? They should at least took the they should at least took the RS badge off of there. I don't know, that one's kind of ticking. This one seemed pretty solid. Cobalt seemed pretty solid. Just need to be cleaned up. Yeah, we're gonna get it on the road, but put a good clean on it. A little crack in the windshield up there, but for $900, I can't beat it, you know. $900, $100 detail, $1,000 in it. Sell it for $2,500, make $1,500 real quick. Go, probably put $150, you know, change the oil. I always gotta get the oil change. Buy that little signal, you know. Get some hubcaps. So who knows? It might be like $200 in there, you know. $200, you know, or maybe I get a better deal on the detail. But $200 depends on how it runs and drives. Make sure the motor and stuff shifting properly. I think it's gonna be good. Well, we're gonna see, but we're gonna get it out on the road though. Got this expedition, that expedition, and this Cobalt. It's about time to get up out of here. He's trying to smash off in that junker. Trying to speed in that beater. We got some AC going in here. This thing is dirty on the inside. I'll wait for him outside the gate. Sounds like a little switch though. I need like some maybe a little fuel treatment in here or something. I'd go back to the shop and see what the check engine light is about. It'll probably tell me the little thing that I need to fix. Bet you they're gonna try to pull off. That one missing. What they doing? They need to go ahead. Turn signal, so I mean, we turn it in there. Yes, sir. Oh yeah, we good. We good. We rolling. Money well spent. 900 well spent. Like I said, put some hubcaps, see why this check engine light on, and get it detailed. Yeah, it's $2,500 rig. Probably get a little bit more than that, but $2,500 is gonna be the starting point. Let's see what's going on right here. What the niggas they stopping for? The expedition can't make it. In this parking lot and see what's going Is that no trans? No transmission? All motor? What's wrong with it? What?
I got a trike, dude. But it ain't got nothing to pull it.
That's why they got rid of it. The transmission, no gears. What about the gears? What? Why he stopped?
He might have stopped early.
He can't make it either.
Motherfucker, pound to the floor. I never said I took the hood. I don't think that got
Nah, this one missing bad though. You can see.
like, yeah, but mine still shift, but it just like get no power to go. Like it's missing so bad, it's not getting up. Like it should boggle down when I gas it. Yeah. Unless it's something like the hose or something off back to the. That's the only reason that's gonna make it do that.
Yeah, it shouldn't boggle down like that.
If it didn't boggle down, it'd be good.
Y'all see no vacuum line or nothing off over there?
And you know, these motherfuckers be so loud, so you can't not hear it.
We got two expeditions that might not make it.
Like I said, you motherfuckers gonna make the expedition. Yeah, like I said, you put both of them together, they be alright. I wonder what these supposed to be wires, so they got better wires out of this motherfucker. I guess they're supposed to jump something off.
That's more than likely it's the sun.
Just stay in the middle of us and just lead guide it through.
Yeah, you better just do the best you can.
You know, I get too far behind you. Yeah, so them motherfuckers just get up and seem like you got hella power. Yeah, in the front.
Yeah, that motor got hella power to drag it.
Shit, good. Yeah, the motor is now some power to drag it. I ain't running the game.
No. Oh man, it's always funny when you pick up cars. Come on, Cobalt. You gotta at least have one. You gotta at least. We don't need the air. We want to ride. Turn the air off right quick. Just so I can listen to anything. See if I hear anything while I'm driving. Air was blowing too. This thing is dirty on the inside though. But let's keep going. And if we stop again, I'll show y'all. If we don't, if we make it, we'll make it. Hopefully. I'll stand behind. So you got the hazards on. Oh man, that's hilarious. He don't know how to drive, man. He don't know how to drive a kite. Come to a stop. Nope, don't hear anything. So that's what usually I'll be worried about some of these Cobalts, like they be having like front end issues like the G6s and stuff, but I don't feel anything wrong with the front end. Like I said, the main thing is just dirty. I gotta find me some nice 15-inch hubcaps for it though. See if I can, I don't know, I'll find something on Amazon. I know Walmart don't really be having nothing. He's going slow by the grace of God. 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000, 4, 1,000, 5, 1,000, 6, 1,000. Oh, let me turn my air back on. This guy already got out. Let me turn my air back on. Look out. Oh man, look at this. It bogs down a little bit when the AC kicks. A little bit, but like I said, look like we stopped again. Chat.
Yeah, he just come on. Nah, I'm just having to push me, man.
What, it ain't gonna make it?
Man, you see how fast I'm going?
You gotta let off the gas.
Bro, that's literally, my foot on the gas, off the gas, is how fast I'm going.
It's faster off the gas. You moving faster with it off the gas.
It really is fast off the gas.
You might as well get behind him. You already ain't got no transmission, so you might as well get him. Hilarious. This is what when picking up cars. That's what make it up. That's what make it funny when you pick up cars and stuff like this happens. It's part of the business and what people don't want to show you. The good, bad, and the ugly. Oh man, this is the fun. This is always the best part about picking and making these videos, man. Picking up cars. It's always good, man. Oh man, it ain't nothing like this, man. All right. So, I'll holler at y'all when we make it to the shop. Back, AC was kicking in off and on. It stayed blowing cold for a while, so I don't know if it's like the pressure switch, because I felt like when I was driving, you would hear like shut off and shut on. So I don't know if it's like the pressure switch going bad or something, or if it's just low on Freon. So I'll check that. But other than that, it ran and drove good. You know, like I said, get that little turn signal, because that's for the turn signal and the lights. So definitely need that. They pushed those cars back, so those made it back.
Floating.
Oh yeah, floating, getting pushed.
But after a while, after a certain point, he gets accelerating on his own.
Said accelerating on his own, killed it. Yeah, right.
Are you putting your keys up?
Yeah. Alrighty, so if y'all haven't already, like this video, subscribe to the channel. I'm out. Peace.